Hi, this is John Derrick with Apollo Sprayers. Today we're going to be talking about the cleaning of the Whisper-Mist, and it's very simple. All you need is some warm water and a microfiber cloth. We like to use a microfiber because they don't scratch. So just get your microfiber cloth wet, and the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to wipe down all the rails. So you want to wipe down all the rails and your surfaces on where the system is in the room. You're going to get overspray on it naturally, so just keeping it in nice clean order by wiping it down periodically is going to help to keep the machine looking nice and new all the time. The other thing we want to do on the Whisper-Mist occasionally is to check the filter here. This filter is very easy to take off and clean. All you need is some warm water and some dishwashing soap to do it. So in order to do that, we just pull off the filter, and there's 4 tabs on either corners, and you can take the cage off, and then that has the element inside. We're just going to take this over to the tap and rinse it out with water and with some warm water and some soap. Then we can thoroughly dry it. Do not use heat on this filter, or it will harm and damage the filter element itself. So naturally dry it. Make sure it's really is completely dry before you put it back in the cage. And then I like to lay it here in the cage, and then just lay it right up against the filter and hold it in place, and then just pop. You'll hear it snap on when it's all in place. And that concludes the maintenance on the Whisper-Mist.